The popular kids, oh, they were confident. Rehearsals every 2 weeks just to stay fresh, as they put it. Strategy, mastered. Routine, locked in. Victory, basically pre-ordered.
Come on, like, do we even need to practice?
But here's the thing. They always found a way to block the underdogs. And anytime the underdogs even mentioned practice, the populars were already on the field. Like they had spies or something.
Hey, we thought the field was available.
Oh, sorry, we got here first. Better luck next time.
And if the underdogs did manage to get there first, the popular kids would stroll in, then take over half the field like they owned it. Turned into 40, 40 turned into the whole first hour, and the underdogs left running laps in the corner, again. So they moved, somewhere less ideal. The only available space? Here. I can't even describe it. Definitely didn't meet any sort of safety regulation. And teamwork? Let's just say they weren't exactly on the same page.
This is useless. We're never going to win. What's the point if we're just going to embarrass ourselves in front of the entire school?
Hey, stop. It's a long shot, we know. But we're doing this for us. We've been underestimated our whole lives. Let's give them a reason to regret that.
And just like that, something shifted.
Kaki kecil berlari ke sana kemari sambil tertawa riang. Kedua tangan.
And for the first time, they had something even better than confidence. Hope. The underdogs had leveled up. Every practice made them sharper, stronger, and surprisingly, the popular team started noticing too. From behind the fence, they watched. And for the first time, they felt nervous.
Berkumpul bersama teman dan bersenang.